Welcome to English Flow Listening, where you improve your English naturally every day. I am Peter. Today I want to share my story with you. It is about my family and how I practice English every single day. This story is also about learning English. It is about daily life practice. It shows how small steps can change your future. So listen carefully till the end. I live in a small town. My home is simple, but it is full of love. My family is small. There are 3 members: my father, my mother, and me. We are not rich, but we are very happy. My father is a hard-working man. Every morning he wakes up early. He goes to work before sunrise. He works in an office and he helps many people. Even when he is tired, he never complains. He smiles and says, "Remember, hard work always brings success." My mother is very kind and loving. She takes care of the home. She cooks delicious food every day. She helps me with my homework. When I feel sad, she hugs me and says, "Don't worry, my son. Try again. You will do better." Her words give me courage. My parents always tell me to study well. They say education is your power. It will change your life. I listen to their advice carefully. I want to make them proud one day. I study in a school in my town. It is not very big, but it is very nice. The classrooms are clean. There is a playground where we play football and cricket. There is also a library with many books. I love spending time there. My teachers are very good. They explain lessons slowly. They never get angry when we make mistakes. They always encourage us. My favorite subject is English. I like English because it connects me to the whole world. My English teacher is my favorite teacher. He is very kind and friendly. He always tells us, English is not difficult. You just need practice every day. He gives us small tasks. He says, write 5 sentences daily. Speak in English with your friends. Read 1 page from a book. I try to follow his advice. When I am at school, I speak English with my friends. Sometimes we laugh when we make mistakes. But our teacher says, mistakes are the best teachers. Don't stop. Keep going. After school, I come home and wash my hands. My mother serves me lunch. Then I rest for a short time. After that, I sit at my study table. I finish my homework for all subjects. Then I start my English practice. First, I read 1 short story in English. Then I write 5 new words. I use each word in a short sentence. I read my sentences loudly. This helps me improve my speaking. Sometimes I watch English cartoons or short videos. I listen to how they speak. I try to copy their style. It is fun and I learn fast. At night, my father sits with me. He asks me to tell him a story in English. I speak slowly and clearly. Sometimes I forget words, but my father smiles and says, "Don't worry, you are doing great. Just keep practicing." Every Sunday, I make my weekly plan. I write it in English in my notebook. My plan is simple. Read at least 1 page every day. Write 5 new words. Make short sentences. Speak to myself in English. Listen to English audio or video. This plan helps me stay focused. I also write my goals. My big goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to other countries. I want to meet people and talk with them in English. I want to learn about new cultures and new ideas. Sometimes learning is not easy, sometimes I feel lazy. Sometimes I feel tired, but I remember my teacher's words. Practice makes you perfect. So even if I feel sleepy, I still read one page. This is my small promise to myself. I dream of becoming an English teacher one day. I want to teach children. I want to tell them don't be afraid. Speak slowly, speak with courage. English is your friend. I also want to write my own English stories. I want to publish them in books. I want people around the world to read my stories. I want them to feel happy and motivated. Now, my dear friends, I want to tell you something. If I can learn English, you can too. I was very shy before. I was afraid to speak. But now I try every day. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. Please don't give up. Read one page every day. Write one sentence every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Do not feel shy. Do not feel afraid. We all make mistakes, but mistakes are our steps to success. One day you will speak English with confidence. You will talk to people from different countries. You will feel very happy. I believe in myself. I also believe in you. We can learn together. We can grow together. We can make our dreams come true. Thank you so much for listening to my story and my English practice. I hope my story inspires you. Please keep practicing every day. Keep smiling, keep reading, keep speaking English. If you enjoy this, subscribe for more daily English listening. See you in the next episode.